Find the indefinite integral of the following equation: x to the power 4 plus x to the power 2 plus 5. You can find the formula to solve this integration problem in the manual. If you go under the math section and scroll down to the section for indefinite integrals, that's number 5. This one right here, right? This equation only works when m is not equal to -1, right? This is one of those equations that I recommend that you know by heart. I have a video on FE exam tips and strategies where I talked about knowing basic formulas by heart. Now, this is one of those basic formulas that I recommend that you know by heart. It's pretty straightforward and simple. If you know it by heart, you don't have to search the manual for this integration formula on exam day. All you have to do is just go right in and solve the problem. It will just take you 60 seconds or even less to solve it if you know it by heart. But if under exam pressure you forget the formula, this is where you can find it. So now let's get back to solving the problem. So now, with that said, we are going to have x to the power 4 plus 1 over what? 4 plus 1, right? Plus x to the power 2 plus 1 over what? 2 plus 1, right? Plus 5x to the power 0 plus 1 over what? 0 plus 1, right? Plus c. I'm simplifying it this way for those who are trying to refresh on this topic, those who have been out of school for a long time and have forgotten these concepts. That's why I'm kind of like breaking it down this way, right? Remember that every number has an invisible x to the power 0 in front of it. Any number raised to the power 0 is 1, right? Just trying to refresh us on this concept. So now we are going to have x to the power what? 5 over what? 5 plus x to the power what? 3 over 3 plus what? 5x to the power what? 1 over 1 plus c. That gives us what? X to the power 5 over 5 plus x to the power what? 3 over 3 plus 5x plus c, right? This means the answer is D. If you want to see more problems, please subscribe. When you subscribe, it encourages me to solve more problems. I plan on solving problems on statistics, structures, mathematics, a lot of problems. Please subscribe to encourage me to do these problems. See you in the next problem.